Grieving for donut, botchi, or na, what is this, lubid-lubid, or what is this called to you? It's like donut, nahuli ang aking video. Nakalimutan ko, dapat binidyo ko pala, oh. Sinturon, or what, ano tawag sa inyo nito? Pero donut sana ito, donut. May style lang. It is done. We'll put it in the sugar and cinnamon. Look at this. Maraming alaala to sa akin. Noon hindi ako marunong gumawa, yung may naglalako. Parang gusto ko talagang kumain. Hindi kasi sa akin yung isa. Nung gumawa yung nanay ko, tuwang-tuwa. Kaya hindi ko makakalimutan yung ganitong pagkain. Thanks for watching.